So I have a new E35 Bobcat here, and the only thing that bugs me about it is this backup beeper that you can manually switch off, but every time you go forward it kicks back on, and then when you turn it off and you back up, it kicks back on. You have to you're forever clicking that off. So what I did was I located the beeper, just for most of you, it's just under here. It's right there, just under the oil pan, beside the oil pan. And there's the wires. So basically all as I did was I clipped one wire, and I put a switch, just a simple on-off switch here, and bolted it to the plate there. And so it just goes down, and flip it on when I'm in anywhere near with people in public. But if I'm alone on my property, nobody around, then flip it to the off position that it's in now, and the beeper's gone. Anyways, hopefully that helps others. Cheers.